welcome to our educational blog. It's all about solar energy. Solar energy is a radiant energy from the sun that can be converted into electricity or heat for use in a variety. Solar energy is any type of energy generated by the sun and can be harnessed directly or indirectly for human use.
The sun is an extremely powerful energy source, and sunlight is by far the largest source of energy received by Earth. But its intensity at Earth's surface is actually quite low. This is essentially because of the enormous radial spreading of radiation from the distant sun. A relatively minor additional loss is due to Earth's atmosphere and clouds, which absorb or scatter as much as 54% of the incoming sunlight. The sunlight that reaches the ground consists of nearly 50% visible light, 45% infrared radiation, and smaller amounts of ultraviolet and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. Solar energy drives and affects countless natural processes on Earth. For example, photosynthesis by plants, algae, and cyanobacteria relies on energy from the sun, and it is nearly impossible to overstate the importance of that process in the maintenance of life on Earth. If photosynthesis ceased, there would soon be little food or other organic matter on Earth. Most organisms would disappear, and in time, Earth's atmosphere would become nearly devoid of gaseous oxygen. Solar energy is also essential for the evaporation of water in the water cycle, land and water temperatures, and the formation of wind, all of which are major factors in the climate patterns that shape life on Earth. Solar energy, radiation from the sun capable of producing heat, causing chemical reactions or generating electricity. The total amount of solar energy incident on Earth is vastly in excess of the world's current and anticipated energy requirements. If suitably harnessed, this highly diffuse source has the potential to satisfy all future energy needs. In the 21st century, solar energy has become increasingly attractive as a renewable energy source because of its inaccessible supply and its non-polluting character, in stark contrast to the finite fossil fuel coal, petroleum, and natural gas.
The potential for solar energy to be harnessed by solar power is enormous, since about 200,000 times the world's total daily electric generating capacity is received by Earth every day in the form of solar energy. Unfortunately, though solar energy itself is free, the high cost of its collection, conversion, and storage still limits its exploitation in many places. Solar radiation can be converted either into thermal energy, heat, or into electrical energy, though the former is easier to accomplish.
Main purpose of solar. Solar energy can help to reduce the cost of electricity, contribute to a resilient electrical grid, create jobs and spur economic growth, generate backup power of nighttime and outstage when paired with storage, and operates at similar efficiency on both small and large scales. 5 examples of energy: solar electricity, solar water heating, solar ventilation, and solar lighting.
The solar energy has long been used directly as a source of thermal energy beginning in the 20th century. Technological advances have increased the number of uses and applications of the sun, thermal energy, and opened the door for the generation of solar power.
Solar energy important. As a renewable source of power, solar energy has an important role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change, which is critical to protecting humans, wildlife, and ecology.